It's an abomination. We like skinny. They like skinny. Life likes skinny. You're doing well and stop by, makes me happy. I don't like Korean barbecue though. Do I show yours? Do I show my soul's brain? Cool. Chat, I have to burp. Hold on. Fuck. Overview? Oh, wait. Here we go. Here we go. Edit stream info. Here we go. Please. Oh yeah, baby. How does it make you feel that a lovely lady just belches in your ear like that, chat? In my mouth. I'm a fucking disgusting pig, huh, chat? My eyes are just watering.